it's your boy Kenny G488. Finally getting ready to put a little bit of audio inside the expedition. I don't know why I said expo, I'm sorry. And I've seen this company has been blooming up lately everywhere, all on Facebook, Instagram, all out at the big car events and stuff like that, big car shows. And so I went to a friend of mine and he hooked me up with a different brand of speakers. Now we're going to try it out. And I'm going to use this Expedition as my little test vehicle and let you guys know how I like the mid-range. But this is the company I'm going to use this here. DS18. We got, it's kind of bad because of the sun. We got 212s, the XL series. Man, the sun is messing it up really bad. Those. And then we got 8 6.5 Pro Series. And then we got 2 10-inch Pro Series also. So let's go ahead and put them inside the truck and hear how they sound.
Dollarz, baby. I got it. Indio. MG. In the club, my nigga blew a check. I been ballin' hard. I think I need a ref. Tried it on my own. I did it by myself. Whipping in the kitchen. I think I am a chef. Whip, 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 whip. I did it by myself. Whip, 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 whip. I think that I'm a chef. In the kitchen, watch me whip it, no kind of help. I'm a soldier, salute to the real niggas love. These niggas flockin', use a dope, they smoking mad. On my grind, getting money, I'm about to jet. Watch me on the come up. My team shine, cause baby, I'm a stunner. You know I ball hard, spinning when I wanna. And I'ma stay hot, like in the summer. Yeah, it's me to tell the truth, I get it in. I'm like Jordan, game sick, we finna win. In my pocket wrapped up, got hella bend. I be goddamn if I'm worried about some friends. Get my money up, cause my dogs gotta eat. All about bread, cause I started from weak. My head chick, but I was smart in the street. Brand new money, always starting some beef. In the club, my nigga blew a check. I been ballin' hard, I think I need a ref. Got it on my own, I did it by myself. Whipping in the kitchen, I think I am a chef. Whip, 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 whip. I did it by myself. Whip, 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 whip. I think that I'm a chef. Got it cause I had to. Get more money, starting how I both do. Your hoe want me, coming up payday. I smoke good, the hustle was a great day. I'm so full, looking like a model. We came deep, did a whole lot of money, won't let it change me. Got a